Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. So today we have another brand new subscription to our channel, which is super exciting. There's been so many new subscriptions that I've been receiving and I love sharing them with you. And today's is also, the subscription box is different than most of my other boxes. So today I am opening Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. So this is a craft club. Annie's actually has about 10 different craft subscriptions. It's super cool. So this one sends you like a new craft to do every single month, and it's supposed to help you learn new skills and all of that. So I will leave the link below. You can browse all of their kit sets if you're interested after watching this video. They also gave me a code to share with you all. You can save 50% on your first month, so that is awesome. So the box came, or the kit came in this bag. And underneath it, I have my little craft kit of the month. But like usual, when I have a new subscription, I'm going to pull up the website and tell you more about it. So it says, try something new. Open a kit of inspiration every month. Express your creativity, make something beautiful, and never stop learning. It says, it is convenient. An exciting new kit will be delivered directly to your mailbox every 4 weeks. You'll experience crafts like painting, needle crafts, beading, candle and soap making, mixed media crafts, and a whole lot more with each new kit. Each kit includes all the materials needed except common household items like scissors and glue. You'll be able to complete each project from start to finish with our easy to follow instructions. So I thought this would be really fun. Like, I seriously fear like the question like, what are your hobbies? Like seriously, I'm like, oh, makeup, YouTube, you know, like whatever. Like I want to try like new things. I want to expand what I do. Like, so I'm not the most crafty person, so I thought this would be fun to kind of get me into like the more artistic, like creative mindset, and to learn new things. I love that each month you get something completely different, and you can just expand on your creative skills. So this is what it looks like this month. So it looks like we're creating a sign. But first let me tell you the pricing. I totally forgot about that. So this specific one costs $19.99. It's $5.95 in shipping for the US and $6.95 in shipping for Canada. So it ships to both the US and Canada. But like I said, I have a code so you can pay 50% less. So it's about $10 plus shipping. So that's pretty awesome. I thought that was a great deal. I'm very appreciative for them sharing that with us. But now let's get to the kit. So I'm going to open this up. It's in this plastic. And it looks like there's a pamphlet that'll tell us more about what the craft of the month is. I just want to take a moment to remind you all that I do have an active giveaway going on that ends on the 13th. It is to win 2 of the Walmart Beauty Favorite boxes, so I will leave the link in the description box if you have not yet entered. So I took this out of the wrapping, and here is the card I see on top. So it looks like the kit of the month is to make a home sign, so I think we'll be making that, which is super cute. I definitely need more decor in my place. It's like empty and I've been here a while now. So it says, yeah, home sign. In your kit it includes wood blocks, paint, paintbrushes, glitter, and sandpaper. You'll also need paper towels, a foam plate, cup of water, rag, ruler, pencil, nickel, and hairspray. And then, so that's what the first page looks like, where it tells you all of the things you need, and then it gives you step by step. Oh yeah, this is so cute. And it gives you some helpful hints too. So this is like a very informative pamphlet, which is awesome. So it says, please read all the hints before you begin. Make sure to cover your work surface before starting. Before painting, lightly sand all the sides of the wood pieces. Wipe off with the rag. Acrylic paint often separates. Knead the tube before using. To open paint tubes, twist cap off the tube, turn cap upside down, and pierce the foil. And then use a flat brush to paint larger areas. So that's definitely helpful for me, someone who's never really done stuff like that. So I think this is probably sandpaper, right? And then you can see underneath everything that comes in here. So there's the wooden signs, and let's see what color paints come in here, because I'm assuming you get to pick the colors that you like. So there are 2 of these paint brushes. So that's the flat one they were talking about. So that's really cool, because you can probably reuse these if you want to. So there's all these wooden pieces here, which is so cute. I'm so excited to do this. It looks like they include some glitter too, if you want to put glitter on it. And there are a few different colors. This is so fun. I've never done anything like this. So there's acrylic colors in aqua blue, in brown, and in yellow. And then I think this is probably like white and black, right? And then all of the letters to spell home. So this will be super fun. I love how theirs turned out. I might like copy that, I don't know. So I think this is super cute. This will be so good to put on a table down, or on one of my tables downstairs. I think it's adorable. I'll probably have to do this craft in a closed room away from my cats because they are so into everything and they'll be cat all over this, let them dry. But this will be super fun. So what do you guys think of this? Are you crafty? Do you do stuff like this at home? Have you ever tried this kit or any of the other Annie subscriptions? I would love to hear more about it. And also let me know, do you guys want to see like me do this actually on camera? Like if I get this again or anything, like do you want me to actually do it while I'm filming? Or like in this case, I will put up some Instagram stories and stuff like that. So if you're not yet following me, I always leave my social media links in the description box. So definitely do so if you're active on there. I don't post photos all the time. I'm trying to be better about posting my boxes. But I do snap like Instagram stories more often, usually like of my cats or something, but I'll definitely show you guys this. I'm not sure if I'll have time to do it today, but I'm definitely gonna do it super soon because this is like really inspiring me and it seems so fun. And I just think that looks so cute. I love that whole like look there. And I love that it's black. I'll probably do the same colors. There's also like a little like snowflake in there too, so you can change it for the seasons. So there's both a flower and the snowflake, so you can like choose one of these to be the O, and a little house too. So yeah, this will be super cute. So and this one has a flower, which I'll probably display first just since it is spring, but I love how there's some variety to this too, so you can kind of make it what you want it to be. So yeah, overall I think this is awesome. So I'm just going to tell you a few of the other clubs they have, or all of them, just so you guys can get a feel of the type of creative projects you can get with Annie's kits. So there's a card maker club, a caring crochet club, creative girls club, which I believe is for younger girls, like children, creative quilters club, creative women club, that is what I opened today, the crochet Afghan club, holiday quilters club, hook and needle club, the Simply Beads club, and the Young Woodworkers club. So I think if I was going to try another one, like I wonder what the Simply Beads club is. I wonder if you like make jewelry. Yeah, it says you can easily make beautiful handcrafted jewelry even if you've never beaded before. And the pieces on here look beautiful. So yeah, these seem so fun. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out and let me know, do you like me opening different types of boxes? Are you more into like the beauty and the lifestyle boxes? I'd love to hear your thoughts. But anyways, I hope you are all having an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.